To those disappointed that some prayers are not answered, perhaps God is saying, trust my timing. I have much more to give you, but not yet. Behind God's timing is God's wisdom. And behind God's wisdom is God's love. Kaya my brothers and sisters, sometimes say natin when we are also disappointed that some of our prayers not answered by God, don't lose hope. Continue to trust in the will of God. Go to the church, pray, and maybe hindi ka bibigyan kaagad ng answer, but in the right time, God will answer you in your prayers. Amen.